Good afternoon, friends. My name is Vijit Kumar Chaturaj, and I am Chairperson Insurance Business Management Program at Birla Institute of Management, which is popularly known as Bimtech. Incidentally, I am also Dean Student Welfare and Support System at Bimtech. Not many people in India really appreciate the fact that insurance can be a fascinating career. Not many parents know about it. Also, not many students, uh, promising students who are looking out for a career in management, really know that insurance can be a very, very good and very rewarding and satisfying career. Partly because of the fact that insurance is still not very much known to most people. Insurance awareness is low. Government of India is trying its best to popularize insurance in India, and Aishwan Bharat is one of those really epoch-making effort. The insurance regulator has been also working sincerely to broad-based insurance awareness and insurance education in India. We at Bimtech were the first to start insurance program, two-year insurance program in management, two-year insurance management program way back 2020. The 1999, the liberalization took place and private players entered into the insurance area, and that's how we decided that we'll come out with a curriculum which will prepare professionals for the industry. Why this industry is so fascinating? Why is the career so rewarding? Most of us believe that insurance is all about selling policy from door to door, which the conventional thinking is. Unfortunately, in real life and today's scenario, it is far from the truth. Insurance today is delivered through online platform, and most of the passing out graduates are required to have technological knowledge and other management related knowledge in area of marketing, finance, analytics. So the profile of the job, which most students think, well, once I join insurance program, I'll have to go from door to door and sell insurance policy. That's only one part of the whole business of insurance. Today, most of the businesses are taking place online. I just now purchased a policy for my car, and did not have to go anywhere. I just logged in the company's website and made the payment. So things are moving very fast. Insurance is being delivered on technology platform, and that's how the conventional thinking that insurance is all about selling door to door is a myth, not a reality. Why it is a fascinating career? Because insurance is very, very difficult to sell, and but it can be sold. It still is a push product, but I'm telling you, it will become a pull product very soon when the whole things will be transferred into a technology platform, and the experience that people will have in days to come will be amazing. Looking at the industry even last year, 2022 figure I am giving you, it's a huge industry, 127 billion US dollar, and the industry is growing almost at 13%. This year the business will be very, very good. Next month we'll come to know what exactly is the figure. There are 25 life insurance companies and almost 25 general insurance companies are there. So there are 50 companies already, and many more are on the pipeline. Over and over, we have reinsurance companies, we have around 650 life broking companies, there are TPAs, plenty of players make the whole ecosystem. Once you enter into this course, then you realize that the ecosystem is very, very vast. That's the reason this is a very rewarding course. And the fact that you have to have good knowledge of analytics, you have to have good skill of marketing, you need to manage your finance, everything is put together in a curriculum which is possibly one of the best curriculums in insurance anywhere in the world, not only in India. That's the reason we always believe that if students, please look at this course, go visit our website, and I'm sure you will come to know the average salary this year was more than close to 12 lakhs, and within the 2 3 days, the entire batch was placed in insurance program at Bimtech, and all the leading insurance companies, name it, with Lombard, ICICI Lombard, Bajaj General Insurance, SBI General Insurance, Life Insurance, Bajaj Life Insurance, Sud Life, Mars. Last year, ICICI took around 16 to 18 students out of a batch of 60 from insurance program. So almost all the leading IT players have now insurance verticals, and they are coming to this industry in a very big way. The penetration is only 4.2% of the GDP, and I'm sure as the economy is growing, as the prosperity is the new mantra, we will be a 3 trillion economy in days to come. The casualty and property, life and health insurance business all will grow at an amazingly rapid rate. So penetration will go up. So you will find many new companies from abroad will also come. They will bring their global expertise with the Indian partners. They will work together and come out with products that will be extremely fascinating in days to come. So my request to all prospective parents and students, visit our website and try to understand what the course is all about. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us. And I'm sure if once you join the course, you will realize that this is not only a very rewarding profession, but at the same time, you will have a feeling that you are serving to the society in a very noble way. And I can give my own example. 86, I joined the industry. As always tell my friend, it was not out of choice, out of compulsion. I joined. I never knew the industry well. The industry was at the cusp of growing. Things changed amazingly in the last 30 years. The way we used to transact insurance business in the past, the way it is being done in India, is a sea change. Absolutely wonderfully well the industry has been progressing. And this is one industry, we always call it a sunshine industry. And this industry will grow. And if you make a career early, then sky is the limit. Thank you so much. Wish you join our website, try to understand the course, and make possibly a very good choice, not only for yourself, for your family, and the society as a whole. Thank you so much.